IWC Ingenieur Automatic 42. Main features are IWC Ingenieur Automatic 42 Ref. AL 338902 is a luxury sports watch unveiled at Watches and Wonders, Geneva 2026. It represents the first time the Gerald Genta-inspired integrated bracelet design has been fully executed in dark olive green ceramic. Case and bracelet, 42 mm diameter and 11.5 mm thick, crafted from dark olive green zirconium oxide ceramic. The material is exceptionally hard, scratch-resistant, and lightweight. Total weight is 134 grams. Aesthetics features a matching olive green dial with a stamped grid structure. It is accented by an 18-karat 5-in red gold crown and armor gold bezel screws. Movement powered by the IWC manufactured 82,110 caliber. It utilizes a Peloton bidirectional winding system with ceramic components to minimize wear and offers a 60-hour power reserve. Resilience rated for 100 meters, 10 bar of water resistance. Zirconium oxide ceramic case, the case ring, bezel, case back ring, and crown protection are all crafted from extremely hard, scratch-resistant green ceramic. Ceramic movement parts components subject to high stress, such as the automatic wheel and clicks, are made of wear-free ceramic to enhance durability. Reference number I 338902.